Okay, here are the tools that you're going to need to perform this job. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is taking this resistor, cutting it off, and replacing this resistor with one that is burnt out on a different ceramic. This ceramic will not work for the application which we're doing, so we need this resistor. We can't find any on the internet that can get to us quick enough, so we're going to remove this one, and I'm going to go through the process of what it would look like welding this resistor back onto the new ceramic piece. Cut the resistor off. Snip, snip. So now what we're gonna do is take and put this on our new one. I'm just gonna put it back on the old one just to show the process of it being done. The new one looks identical to this, only it's longer this direction. And so I cannot just simply take these prongs out and put them in the new one because it would not reach. So I have to actually put the resistor on the new ceramic. So what I'm going to do is take my pliers and I'm going to squeeze those two pieces together. And it's going to act like my third hand and hold it in position. I'm going to put this nice cool towel underneath here. And I am going to get this put in place. Stick that in place right there. I'm going to do the same thing with this. Actually, I'm going to add solder to that first so it sticks it nice and well. Roll it to this other side, glue it down. Now this one's been used before. I am just using this as an example. What I'll do is a little pressure on it to push it into the solder once I get it nice and warmed up. Like that right there. Add a little solder to it. Wipe my solder off the tip so it doesn't have buildup on it. Stick it in a holder. Let this cool off a little bit. Literally should be about a 15-minute job. And that's what it'll look like. Now, we could add a little more here if we wanted to, but I think it should hold just fine. And yes, it does. And now we're going to check continuity to make sure I didn't fry something. Looks like we're golden.